Want to get in on the daily fantasy sports action in Ontario but not sure what's allowed? Let's clear up the big question. Can you actually use PrizePicks in Ontario? Unfortunately, PrizePicks, in its traditional format, isn't currently available in Ontario. The regulatory landscape for daily fantasy sports here is a bit different. They need to be properly licensed and compliant with Ontario's specific gaming regulations. The key thing to know is that the Alcohol and Gaming Commission of Ontario, or AGCO, oversees all gaming activities. eGaming Ontario specifically handles online platforms. If a platform isn't licensed by them, it's generally not legal to operate here. So, while you can't use PrizePicks directly, don't worry, you still have options. There are plenty of fully licensed and regulated sports betting platforms available in Ontario. Think of familiar names like Bet365, FanDuel, and DraftKings, though even these platforms function somewhat differently in Ontario due to provincial regulations. The good news is that many of these platforms offer similar types of player prop baits that PrizePicks provides. You can still make predictions on individual player performances and build parlays. Just explore the different platforms and find one that you enjoy and, most importantly, that is legal to play within Ontario. Always remember to gamble responsibly and only use licensed platforms to ensure your money is safe and you're playing within the legal framework. That wraps it up. Happy betting.